My name is Nuria. I work as a graduate current product engineer with the current product support team. I studied at Teesside University, and I actually came from a non-traditional background where I studied chemical engineering. And after completing the assessment centre within Cummins, I then started my role in August 2015. What actually attracted me to Cummins in the first place was the relationship that Cummins actually has with Teesside University. They're always a part of the careers fair, and I got to know more about Cummins and the sectors that we actually operate in just through the careers fair. So that's what actually attracted me to Cummins in the first place. So within Darlington, we predominantly manufacture engines for on-highway, off-highway applications. So these are within sectors related to agriculture, marine, rail, bus, coaches and trucks. So I first started off in August 2015 with the current product support team, and my role mainly involves working on and leading PPS projects. So those are projects related to current product failures in the field. That involves working with a team of expert engineers that have worked here for many years within the company, that are aware of the products, that are familiar with the failures that we've encountered, and then my role is to lead that project through. So leading it through to the end. All the projects that I've worked so far, none of them have been exactly the same. They're all diverse projects, all different failures, and usually what that involves is inspecting a lot of different parts. So I get to look at different engine components and thoroughly understand how exactly they operate within the engine itself and how exactly it could fail by determining assignable causes. When I'm working on hardware-related failures and inspecting components that have failed in the field, what I tend to look at when inspecting those components are wear marks or traces to indicate how that component was operating in the field. That gives me a clearer picture of what the failure could have actually been. Once I have a clear understanding of this, I can then look at determining potential assignable causes for that specific failure. That then leads me down to different routes of identifying either if the issue may be related to how the engine was operating in the application, or if it was the application itself, be it a bus, coach, or a truck, for example. There are challenges that you can face, but what I found within my role and with my team, that from the get-go I was given so much support and so much guidance, which helped me to grow as a person within my role and within my team. Working within Cummins has given me the opportunity to lead and work on a variety of different projects. But on top of that, I've also been given the opportunity to work with many different people from different backgrounds and with different levels of expertise. As well as this, the graduate development program has also helped me to progress further within my career within Cummins. So I'd highly recommend Cummins to any future graduate who's seeking a career that would allow them to increase their personal and their professional development, and to take on exciting and challenging tasks.